Hi everyone, thanks for dropping by my YouTube channel today, where I'm doing final tests on Mike's Breckwell brand digital model pellet stove controller. Mike sent me this one because it had a badly broken up faceplate, which is a symptom of other problems on the controller, and he wanted it tested before winter comes. So since receiving Mike's controller, I've made some repairs to it. I replaced the faceplate with a new one, slightly different colors, but still the same thing, and I'm now ready to do final tests on it. As you can see, I have Mike's controller connected to my tester. My tester is made up of a number of items. One of them is a wiring harness that connects the controller to the tester itself, a faceplate that holds an auger motor behind the faceplate here. The motor shaft for that auger motor comes out the front, and I have an X marks the spot decal on it. I have a number of switches on it, such as the proof of fire and high temp switches to simulate the switches in the stove, and I have 4 light bulbs at the back. The first one simulates the igniter, the next one simulates the combustion or exhaust fan, the third one with the yellow decal simulates the auger motor, and finally in red we see that the light bulbs will simulate the convection or room fan. So if I turn on the controller now, we'll see a number of different things happen. So let me go ahead and do that. We see that the auger motor comes on, the combustion fan comes on, and so does the igniter. We saw a cycle of the auger. You saw a cycle of the auger light come on. You also heard the auger motor spin. You saw the decal spin, and there's a light bulb here that shows you that the auger is actually on, or being called to be on by the controller. I can press this switch here. That causes the auger to drive as required to pre-feed or preload the fire pit before starting a fire. I have my proof of fire switch here. If I toggle that, that causes the convection or room fan to toggle. So I'll leave that on for now. And I have the high temp switch, which causes the igniter to stop and the auger motor to stop as well. So if the high temp switch comes on, then there's no need for the igniter to be on, and there's no need for the auger motor to be feeding more pellets into the fire pit. The other thing I can do is I can cycle through the heat range advance. As you can see, I was at 3. I'm able to cycle through it quite easily, and if I leave it at 1, I press the manual feed and we'll go to 4, 3 off. 4, 3 off, 4, 3 off, 4, 3 off, 4, 3 off. So that's functioning correctly. So there you have it, Mike. Your pellet stove controller is fully functional. Everything looks good on it. I replaced a number of parts and the faceplate as well. Everything looks fine, everything feels fine, and I think you'll have good success with it. I'm ready to package it up and return it to you. I do want to thank you very much for sending me your controller for repairs. I appreciate that. And for all you viewers out there, if you have a pellet stove controller of your own that you want serviced or tested, please feel free to contact me. My contact information can be found via a link in the description just below this video. In the meantime, I hope you'll take a few minutes to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate that very much. Thanks everyone. Bye bye.